So this is not my song. It's actually by a friend of mine, Bobby's Beats. Here's his channel, Bobby's Beats. He's got over 297 videos, and here's his information. So if you want to contact him. So we've already done step one, which is to download the music, which is it's right here. And then we're gonna go to ChatGPT and write some lyrics. Here we are in ChatGPT. So we have a classical piano piece, a ballad with key changes. The song is about a woman waiting for her boyfriend to come back from the war. The song is called Waiting for You in the Rain. It's a 4-minute, it's a 4-minute song. Oops, sorry. It's a 4-minute song. And I gave it instructions like I want ad-libs, falsettos, backing vocals, harmonies, high crescendo harmonies, low harmonies, and a chest voice belting. There's gonna be a mix of all that to create emotion. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT does. There you go. We have the lyrics from ChatGPT, and we're gonna copy that into Suno AI. So let's grab that. Copy. All right, so here we are in Suno AI, and then we're gonna go to create. Right here, it gives us a blank canvas. Next thing to do will be to upload that audio from Bobby's Beats. And we go to audio, and we go to upload. And there it is right here, Waiting for You in the Rain. And we're gonna open. And then of course we're gonna save it. Let's just confirm to make sure it's the right track. The right track. All right, confirmed. The next thing we do here, and then you go to add vocal right here. And then the track automatically jumps to the other side of the screen, right there. And then we choose the persona. In this case, I want Abacus, because she's a softer singer, to be the singer in this one. So for this part, we just added the lyrics, and then we're gonna describe the style. This is the style. Okay, so we're gonna start with that. And then we're gonna scroll down over here to advanced options. And we want to choose female as the vocal gender. The awareness, weirdo, we're gonna leave that at 50%, and then the style influence will be at, we'll leave that alone at 50% as well. But we do want the music, because it's very beautiful melody, to influence the vocals. So we're gonna put that at about 80%. 80, oh, there you go, 80%. Title of the song is already here, so that's fine. And then let's create, see what happens. All right, we got two happening here. All right, and then we're gonna have, let's stand by and see what Suno comes up with. All right, let's go.
The letters fade, but I still hear your name. Ink runs like teardrops in the rain. The fire's low, but I keep the flame. Your photograph when we're you come home again. Each night I pray to skies of gray. The wind still calls, it sounds like you. I swear I feel your heartbeat coming through. I'm waiting for you in the rain, through the storm, through the ache, through the pain. Every drop keeps calling your name. Oh, I'm waiting for you. Oh, waiting for you in the rain, waiting for you in the rain, waiting for you. Your cup still hangs by the open door. You count the steps you took before the war. The clock still ticks, but time just stays. Frozen hearts don't fade, they lose their Each night I pray to skies of gray that you'll return and wash this pain away. The wind still calls, it sounds like you. I swear I feel your heartbeat coming through. I'm waiting for you in the rain, through the storm, through the ache, through the pain. Every drop keeps calling your name. Some nights I swear I hear your song, a distant hum that pulls me along. If love's a war, I'll fight again, just to see you walking through the rain. I'm waiting for you tonight, for harmony rise in the rain.
I'm sorry, I had to stop it. I'm mesmerized. This is ridiculous. Suno AI is out of control. Oh my gosh! Let's play the second one.
The letters fade, but I still read your name. Ink runs like teardrops in the rain. The fire's low, but I keep the flame. Your photograph, when will you come home? Each night I pray to skies of gray that your return still calls, it sounds like you. I swear I feel your heartbeat coming through. Keeps calling your name. Oh, I'm waiting for you in the rain. Your coat still hangs by the open door. I count the steps you took before the war. The clock still ticks. lyrics, but time just stays frozen. Hearts don't fade, they lose their way. Each night I pray to skies above, so when wind still calls, it sounds like you. I swear I feel your heartbeat coming through.
Okay, come on, guys. We got to talk about Suno. I mean, I'm speechless because I wasn't expecting this. First of all, I didn't tell you to put any drums. All I said was add the vocals to the lyrics. It changed the syncopation because the original has no percussion or drums in it. I hope Bobby likes this because Bobby had this track sitting on his page on YouTube for years and nothing happened to it. And look at it now. So he can actually put it on his website if he has one and sell a whole album worth of songs just like that, revamped and revived by Suno AI. That's what I keep telling you guys. If you have old hard drives, old songs, just put into Suno. Go ahead and write some lyrics in ChatGPT. Put it into Suno and let Suno revive that sucker. Put it on your website and sell like I do mine. All right, guys, it's a short video, and let me vocal you out. Peace out.
I'm waiting for you in the rain, through the storm, through the ache, through the pain. Every drop keeps calling your name. Oh, I'm waiting for you in the rain. Some nights I swear I hear your song, a distant hum that pulls me along. If love's a war, I'll fight again, just to see you walking through the rain. I'm waiting for you in the rain, through the storm, through the ache, through the pain. Every drop keeps calling your name. Though I'm waiting for you in the rain. Come back to